Hello everyone, it's time for the textual part of a literature reader, New Broadway. This video is covering the textual part of the poem Barter. Question number 1. The first two stanzas have images that are associated with the senses. Can you find them? We have to find the words or phrases from stanza number 1 and 2 that are they having any type of association with the senses. See the example. First sense is sight, through which we can see, sways and sings, eyes that love you, and a star the night. These three phrases are showing or having the association or relation with the sense sight. Sways and sings has come for fire. The fire can moves and sings. Eyes that through that you can see, and stars at the night that you can see in the sky. So all these are related with the sense of sight. Next is hearing, soaring fire, the sound that is coming from the burning fire that you can listen to. A smell is a scent of pine trees, means the sense of the smell is related with the fragrance that is coming from the pine trees. And the last sense is touch, holding wonder arms that hold. This complete word is full of different type of surprises that you can feel by touching, or you can get them by your experiences, and arms that are helping you, that are holding you. So these two phrases are related with the sense touch. Question number 2, look at the line 10. Who do eyes and arm refer to? Line 10 of the poem is eyes that love you, arms that hold. The answer is the eyes and arms are of the people who are in love with the readers of the poem. Here the poet is addressing the family members of the reader, that the reader can see love in the eyes of their family members, and they feel safe while they are in the arms of their family members who take care of them. Question number 3, look at the lines 11 and 12. What gives your mind and feelings is still delight? Why are thoughts described as holy? Line number 11 and 12 of the poems are, and for your spirits is still delight, holy thoughts that star the night. The answer is love, hope, happy thoughts and other positive feeling offer is still delight. The thoughts are described as holy because they are pure thoughts, untainted by any negativities. Untainted is called unspotted. So the love, the happy thoughts of the family members really guards you, and they are giving you the happiness that remain always. That is not temporary, right? So all the thoughts that are for you and they are having by your family members, they are really pure and full of love, and that's give you a type of positive feeling and keeps you away from the negativity. Question number 4 is star the night. Line 12, the word star is usually used as a noun. How is it used here? Line number 12 of the poem is holy thoughts that star the night. And the answer is here the word star has been used as a verb, and the word night has been used here as a noun. Question number 5, line 15 and 16 refer to two ideas that are opposite in meaning. What are they? Line 15 and 16 of the poems are, for one wide singing hour of peace, count many a years of strife well lost. The answer is the two ideas opposite in meaning are an hour of peace and a year of strife. The peace contrasts against the strife and unrest. In fact, peace is so powerful that an hour of it is compared to a year of strife. Strife is called the stage where you are feeling uncomfortable, unrest, uneasiness. Okay. So here the poet is saying that 1 hour of peace is sufficient when you have passed a complete year in unrest. Okay, means uneasy type if you have passed 1 year, and after that one uneasy year you are getting 1 hour of peace, then that will be compared and that will be balanced. So peace is really powerful than strife. Question number 6. Did you notice that in the third stanza, the poet directly advises us to give all that we have in exchange for loveliness? She does this by using 4 verbs. Which one are they? The answer is yes, the words she uses are spend, buy, never count and give. Next question, what do you think is the theme of the poem? Which line expresses the theme? Is this line repeated? If yes, why? This question is having four parts, so the answer should also be in four parts. The answer is the theme of the poem is the notion of barter. The poet wants us to buy all the loveliness we can so that we can enjoy life all the better for it. The line life has loveliness to sail makes the theme quite clear. Yes, this line is repeated. This is done to reinforce the message that the poet wants to send out. Notion means belief, and barter, the name of the poem, is a type of act that involves exchanging of the goods. Means in exchange of something, if you are getting something better, then you should take. This is told by the poet in this poem. So she is enforcing that there are so many beautiful things in the life, and when life itself is sailing out all these things, then you should take, and you should not think about that what you are exchanging in getting these things, because in these days everybody is running behind how to get peace and comfort and happiness in their life. But if they are in front of you and in exchanging of anything you can get the peace or happiness, then you should take. The line life has loveliness to sail is repeated in each stanza of this poem because the poet wants to emphasis on this line that there are so many lovely things in the life, like music, the nature of beauty, and beautiful nature, then love, affection, positive feeling, and good thoughts. All these things are really makes your life happy, and in exchanging of something, if you are getting all these things, then you should take. Question number 8. The poem Barter teaches us to appreciate many beautiful things the world contains and the wonderful families and friends we have. In essence, it urges us to stay positive no matter what the problem is. How can we develop a positive attitude to life? The answer is we can develop a positive attitude to life by looking at the bright side of things, remaining cheerful no matter the circumstance, and helping spread the joy to others as well. So how can you be positive and make others positive? By following these ways. You have to look at the bright side of each and everything. When the brightness itself come in your life, then it will bring the happiness as well. Then you have to be share your smile with others, whatever the circumstances is there, if that is gloomy or sad circumstances, but after looking at your smile, then the situation will itself get lightened. And lastly, if other person are sharing their hand or helping to make the environment happy, positive and cheerful for the other person, you should also come as a sharing hand by showing your smile. Question number 9 from the part appreciate. Did you notice the simile in line 5 and 6? What does the word cup suggest? In what way is a cup similar to a child's face? Line 5 and 6 of poem are, and children's faces looking up, holding wonder like a cup. First, let me tell you what simile is. Simile is a literary device that compares the characteristic of two things with the help of words like, ass, and such such. If any of the word out of these three is coming in any of the line of the poem, then that line is having the literary device simile. See, the answer here, cup is used to describe a container that holds something. Children's faces are like cup because just as cup can hold a liquid like tea or coffee inside it, children's faces hold the wonder that they experience. Here, the characteristic of cup and children's faces is compared with the help of like. As you can see in line number 6, like, this word is coming. So this line is having literary device simile. So here the poet is saying that as we can keep any type of liquid like tea, coffee or any other drink in the cup, and that holds it. Same as whenever the child is seeing anything surprising, then the type of expression, the type of reaction comes on her or his face after looking at those wonderful things, and then they hold this expression for the further reaction. So here the characteristic of cup and the children faces are compared. Question from the part extension. Here are some sell and buy expressions. Fill them correctly in the sentences. Some sentences have been given and we have to fill these blanks of the sentences by choosing the right phrases of sale and buy expressions. This is done for you. You can go through it, and with this we have completed the textual part of this poem. I'll see you with the next video.